Hey guys, it's Dawn here, and today I'm going to show you how to fold socks. All right, I'm doing laundry right now, and then I was like, you know what? Let's show people how we fold our socks. All right, here we go. All right, I'm not sure how well this is gonna work out, this view. I wanted the camera angle like over my shoulder. So these are my knees, by the way. So this is my lap. So you can orient yourself. But it's like, okay, so if you're watching from over my shoulder, so we're on the same plane, then this is what the socks end up looking like. And I like this because you know that other way where you like roll it and then you take the end and then you spread it out over the sock? Well, that really stretches this out, and then it is no good in the long run. So this way it is flat and it's actually stackable. You can stack it vertically, so you can stack it vertically. You can have them like this in your sock drawer. I don't know. It's super neat and clean, and it's tossable, it's packable, all that good stuff. So how do we do this? Um, let's see. I get my socks from Costco. And so first you're gonna lay one sock like this, and then one sock over on top like this. So one sock is laying this way, like upside down on his back, and this guy is going to go on top of him, and their heels are going to be facing each other. So you have a toe here and a toe at the bottom. So you're going to take the bottom toe and you're going to make it nice and just fold it over like this. Then you're going to take this side still from the bottom and fold it over. Then you're going to take the bottom toe and fold it up. Then this side, fold over. And now you only have this long one left. So the long one left, you're just going to roll this up once. Then I put my fingers into this opening over here, so just so I could open this up. And then I tuck this in this way, like this. And there you go. You have it all nicely folded. So now I've got two of these and it's stackable. See? And if this sat in the drawer, okay? So let's do it again. So you have one on the bottom on his back, and then one vertical on top of him with their heels pointing to each other. You've got the bottom toe here and then the top toe here. Then take this one, give it a little pull and fold him over. Then this side, fold him over. Then this one, fold it up. Then this one, back over. And you're just like zigzagging each one of these, making layers. Then this one is going to come around and then flip it. Then you have this pocket that you slide your fingers into to make this opening, and then tuck this in. And there you go. It's another one. So nice. Dum, dum, dum. Now we have three. And then I'm going to do another one. This one is a different color, so maybe it'll show up better. So one on his back, facing up. One facing this way with their heels facing each other. The bottom one is going to come up and over, then over this side. Then the bottom is going to come up, then this side comes over, and then we're just going to roll once. Put your fingers through this little pocket, and then slide this in like that, and it's so nice and neat and flat and stackable. So there you go. If any of you guys actually do this, please comment. Let me know what you think. I literally love doing this, and I mean it's kind of one of those irrational things, but I love it. So let me know what you guys think. I know it's the small things that make life like happy, you know. Let me know what you think. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell. Consider being a member on my channel, where I'm going to share all sorts of good stuff that makes life better. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.